Hey everyone, I'm Chazz Sims, CEO and co-founder of Wise Systems, and I'm pretty excited to talk to you today about the changes coming in last mile and local delivery. Now, when you think of local delivery, it's actually a huge part of a number of different industries. You can take a look at FedEx as they deliver packages to homes and businesses, Pepsi as they distribute their products to stores, restaurants, and vending machines. You can even look at Comcast as they send out service reps to do home installations of cable and internet. But when you look at the industry, it actually used to be pretty straightforward traditionally. You'd have a business or a person who would call in an order. That order would get manually assigned to a schedule, and then that schedule was passed along to a driver who would go out and do a bunch of those deliveries. But now there are a lot of changes coming in that process. When you look at the ways to order products, you can do it online, you can do it on demand through a mobile device. There's even real-time sensors that can actually predict out of stocks. And on the fulfillment side, there's becoming more and more numerous ways to do that delivery. Some of them are more dynamic, some are more complex, and even some of those are automated. But really, the process of actually assigning those deliveries has stayed pretty manual and pretty static. And there's need to change and actually bridge that gap between the new ways to order the deliveries and actually the ways to fulfill them. And that's where, at Wise Systems, we believe the answer to that is autonomous dispatch. Now, we define autonomous dispatch as an automated system for seamlessly coordinating the movement of goods, people, and services, all the way from order creation, finally through the fulfillment by a driver or some other vehicle. And I'll talk more about that, but the reason this is so important right now is because logistics is changing. Right now, trillions of dollars are being spent every year on logistics globally, and that number is increasing dramatically. And on top of that, consumer expectations are changing. It's not only about how fast can you get it to me, it's also I want to know exactly when that delivery is going to show up. And you have companies like Amazon, Uber, even Walmart that are reinforcing these expectations. And so now if you're a business doing delivery, you have to compete both on efficiency but also delivering an incredible customer experience. And that's exactly where we bring in Wise Systems. At Wise Systems, we provide autonomous dispatch and routing software in order to help companies continuously optimize their efficiency and their service. Now, the way we do this is actually by breaking down the problem. We look at it in multiple parts. First, we help companies plan. We can take thousands of orders that have to go out across a region or a city and distribute those effectively across the fleet. But we don't stop there. We actually continue to optimize and adjust schedules throughout the day and deliver those updates back to the driver so they can stay efficient and on time. And finally, we take all of that data and we use it in order to benchmark and analyze the fleet, but we also use it to better plan in the future. Now, through this technology, we've actually been able to help companies reduce their number of late deliveries by over 80%, and also reduce their miles and time on road by up to 15%, resulting in tremendous value going back into their business, really allowing them to compete in this new age, delivering on the promise of efficiency and service. Now, behind the scenes, we have three core parts of our business. One, it's the real-time data and becoming dynamic. So it's being able to adjust the traffic, canceled orders, new orders that come in throughout the day, and again, delivering all those updates to the driver. Second, it's the machine learning. It's being able to better predict the different things that will change throughout the day. Which customers are most likely to cancel their deliveries? Where are you most likely to be able to get new orders coming into your business? How long does a delivery truly take depending on the driver doing it, the time of day that the delivery happens, or even the type of product being delivered? And then finally, we care a lot about the driver experience because we know that drivers are key to the solution that we provide. And so we actually use our applications to collect feedback directly from the drivers, allow them to adjust the schedules, and we get all that information and share it across the fleet in order to continue to provide and continue to improve as we've deployed our software. Now, we've actually already deployed this across 50 locations across North America, and we continue to add new customers every month. And if you'd like to learn more about the transformations coming here in logistics and delivery, come talk to us after the presentations. Thanks.